American food. Where does Chinese chicken salad come from? Is it China? Wrong. If you think English muffins come from England, you're wrong again. And German chocolate cake doesn't come from Germany. Chinese chicken salad is cabbage, chicken, noodles, and a special sauce. It first appeared at a restaurant in Santa Monica, California, USA, in the 1960s. A Chinese chef, Sylvia Cheng Wu, probably invented it. In 1880, Samuel Barth Thomas moved from the UK to the USA and opened a bakery in Massachusetts. He started making breakfast cakes that he cut in half and toasted. People called them English muffins. They are still popular in the USA today. The inventor of German chocolate cake wasn't German. She was an American woman from Dallas. Mrs. George Clay made a special chocolate cake, and she published the recipe in a local newspaper. She used a bar of German sweet chocolate to make it. A chocolate bar that Samuel German, an Englishman, created. People called her cake German chocolate cake, and the name stuck. So now we know that Chinese chicken salad, English muffins, and German chocolate cake are in fact all American. But you might be surprised to know that some foods that we think are American, like burgers, mac and cheese, and donuts, don't come from the USA at all.